First I got to deal with the refrigeration service call, which I've got two sections that are not blowing air. There's that one, but then I've also got a section over here. I believe it's right here by the coolers. Yeah, right here. So this section that you see here, from that line to that line, so that's an evaporator section right there. It's got no fan running. Here on this one on the left, this blade is just old and finished. It's done. But so is the motor. This motor's not turning and it's actually pretty hot. So here we got the old one, see, and then I got this one right here in a box, right? And it just fits in there nice and, God, perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Here's my other one. You see? Oh, this one's broke too. Look at that. Look at that thing. Mm-hmm. That's a good thing I got some freaking fan motors, huh? I've had these in my truck probably for like a year at least. About damn time. Yep. Well, you know what? Since this one doesn't want to stay like the original one stays, I'm just going to cut it and splice it and switch it. Here we go. Cut it, spliced it, and switched it. And now it stays. Now, although, however, this does not address the issue that I have about them all condensating at the top, that's related to humidity in the store. I'll try to work on that next. Basically what happens is these units, these cases, they get so old, in which this case they're 22 years old, okay? The insulation on them buckles, or the insulation, it doesn't buckle, it absorbs water. And then once it starts absorbing water, it freezes and it is no longer an insulator. So then they start leaking underneath them. These ones ain't even doing it that bad. I'll see if I can show you some that I have that have done it real bad. I got them actually, the pictures in my phone still. But they're complaining about this because see, it's already under the tiles. The floor is saturated. It's all wet because of it. So I haven't really had any calls before about them complaining about the floor sweating, but now they say that the floor is sweating. I don't think the floor sweats. I think that the frozen cases over there condensate and then they leak on the floor and then the floor gets wet. But I'm gonna check the store for humidity. See, make sure all the air conditioners are working. And if everything checks out to be working good, then they're gonna have to replace their cases. I mean, they're gonna have to replace the cases either way because there's no other real solution. Because there's no other real solution. If it's not humid right here, then this issue that they're having is related to an old case. But I'm going to close out this work order because this thing is working the way it should. I've got air all the way from one side to the other. And they actually need to stop blocking the air curtain because they're blocking the air curtain here. If you look, we've got a line that's supposed to go here to there. They're blocking it. They need to stop doing that. And they also need to stop overstocking. Look at this. That's a symptom of overstocking. They overstock it, then we can't get air to the top here. So they need to stop doing that too because, look at this shit. Yeah, that's not how we do. Overstocked. I'm actually probably gonna not close this work order yet. They're gonna have to empty this case out and I might have to come back tonight and do it because I got to pull all these back walls forward. It's ridiculous.